Today we will be analyzing bullet casings as well as bullets. The common process in crime labs is to pass off evidence in evidentiary bags, as well as common requests for evidence examination forms and receipt and tracking of forms. These are important so that you can track items through the lab and we know who has touched each item. Comparison microscopes are a common tool used in forensic labs. The point of a comparison microscope is to compare two items side by side simultaneously. There are actually two microscopes in it, and there will be a split view through the ocular eyepieces so that you can examine both pieces at one time.
Oh, it's right behind you. I didn't see it. She was...
We can tell that these bullets are different, not only because of the firing pin marks, but because of the striations on the left and right side of the bullet. Placing the bullets in the microscope allows us for a more detailed view of the striations, of the lands and grooves on the bullet. The lands are the raised part, and the grooves are the impressions that are put into the bullet by the barrel of the gun. Okay. This is the two bullets underneath the comparison microscope. The bullet on the left side is shown on the left side, and the bullet on the right side is shown on the right side. If we move the split screen here, we can see more of the right bullet, which lines up with the left side. And moving it back towards the right, we can see more of the left bullet matching up with the right bullet.
Criminals commonly file off serial numbers or any other identifying characteristics found on firearms, such as this metal object, which has the serial number filed off of it. What they don't know is that forensic investigators can use a chemical reaction to produce a different colored reaction product, allowing the serial number or identifying characteristics to be visible. This sandpaper is used to smooth down the surface of your sample of interest. Once the sample surface has been smoothed and polished, it needs to be rinsed off with acetone.
Modify home video.
Next, you take the reagent that's going to react with the iron or iron alloy. In this case, it's a copper 2 chloride reagent.
Seriously, I'm worried. I put more in there. Because the other ones are working.
So what are you doing? So that I know where to go more.
Okay. I'm going to say the extract.
The reagent is then dabbed on the surface.
And then you have to take the extract and test tubes, put it in here,
Find out the solubility of the sodium disulfate.
So then after that, after I put in though this doesn't have to sit as long as later on it has to sit. After shaking the root for approximately 1 minute, the THC has been extracted from the marijuana.
As you can see, the letters S and J are now clearly visible on the metal surface.